Like guys, you don't know? So let's go and play this game. So let's go. So let's go and check how many gold I have. Oh, I just have 16. Let's see if Yabo up me. Okay, let's go.
This is only because ako po kasi nakabili ako ng
Okay, let's go.
I bought them po.
So let's go.
So, I'm sharing
16 tires, I know.
if you try po searching in the internet, ipapakita lang sa inyo.
Oh, forgot nothing. Okay, so my mom's going to take this on stuff. Okay, we have more fun. Okay, so we have fun. Let's go and something fun.
So, wala po tayong data privacy.
Let's see, we have something. Okay. We don't have something.
But I'm sharing it to you. So,
What's this?
is stuck. Sobrang ano lang po ito. It's 5 pages na nilipok sa Adarna House. Nilalapit. Isinulat po siya ni Virgilio Almario. Alam ko po si ano po siya, national artist ito, alam ko, or wala pang member, basta sikat po siya. Okay? Iginuhit ni Hubert Bush.
Okay.
So, papakita ko lang po muna na.
Let's go to stuff we always have.
Lagyan nyo na lang po na...
So let's go. Oh wait, first. Okay, let's see. Okay. Yes, this one here. Okay. Let's go now. Oh, fight the reasons about versus about beat the up, beat the up, beat the up. Freezes for freezes for beat the up, beat the up, beat the up. Freezes for freezes for beat the up, beat the up, beat it up, beat it up. Freezes for freezes for beat the up, beat it up, beat it up. Freezes for freezes for beat the up. Eat it up.
Ano bang makulitong masakit na
Eat it up. Eat it up. Reese's Puffs. Reese's Puffs. Eat it up. Eat it up. Eat it up. Reese's Puffs. Reese's Puffs. Eat it up. Eat it up. Eat it up. Let's go get this.
Mas maganda po kung memorize ninyo. Pero hindi ko naman in-expect na lahat kayo mabilis mag-memorize. Diba? So, okay lang po yung
So guys,
so, yung gusto mo.
okay, let's go
Pero if you
here.
will buy the real book po nito, masyado po maliit yung sulat.
Oh, sorry.
At gagamitin nyo siya, pagpakita nyo, malaki yung klase. Sobra po